So there is a bird's nest under my root cellar, which is pretty amazing. Right here. I don't know if you can see the babies. My camera is awful. There's the baby birds. Pretty much all they do is just sit there all day and sleep. I leave them right alone. I stay as far from them as I can. And here is Mama, forever watching. See her? That's Mama. She's learning to trust me. She still nervously peeps every time I'm near the nest, but she's learning. I think she understands by now that I'm not going to hurt them. If I was going to, I probably would have by now. Usually when I walk away, she'll go back home. And there's Daddy, the one that just came in next to her on the line. Right there. There's a mother and a father. That's the father. Right on the rail. God, I wish I had a better camera. This is awful. But yeah, that's Daddy. The other one's Mama. They take turns all day, every day. There are four babies in that one tiny nest, and it's frig. Yay big. Talk about sharing space. Pretty cool.